Hi.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Go ahead and have a seat. Thanks for coming today.
Thanks for having us.
We are a marketing research company, so I need to collect your phone so you can't take pictures, can't Instagram, can't tweet about things. Thank you. Go ahead and put your safety goggles on at this time. Okay.
That's my phone.
Yeah. What was your reaction when I threw your phone in the woodchipper?
A little bit lost.
It's scary.
It's kind of terrifying how many things are connected to my phone. And I want to punch you in the face.
How does it feel to not be connected?
My chest hurts.
Broke.
I feel like I'm in a pioneer days or something.
Why do you think that is?
Because you're so connected with it. Like, I have to have it on me at all times.
Well, let me ease your mind when I give you your phones back.
You guys are.
What color is
I'm fine. I know we didn't.
Everyone can breathe now.
So how does that feel?
Yeah, much better. Yeah. Much better.
Sigh of relief.
What's more important, the phone or having the connection?
The connection.
I don't want to disconnect. I live in this modern age and I'm very happy with it.
Now you want to see a better way to keep connected?
All right.
Oh.
This is the 2016 Chevy Cruze.
Cruze offers built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi.
With a reliable connection more powerful than your smartphone.
Nice.
So this thing puts out its own signal?
Yes.
What?
It does connect up to 7 devices.
7?
This is awesome. I love this. This is like next level Chevy.
Thank you guys for coming today.
Thanks for not really killing our phone.